today we had a very fruitful discussion with President of BPP and his party functionaries, including Mbak Kharpran and Mbak Edelbert, who are the honorable members of the Legislative Assembly. It was decided in that meeting that they have requested for justification on why is it that there was a change in the appointment of members to the Lokayukta, and they indicated that they would need another meeting with Honorable Chief Minister. I have accordingly communicated this request, which is very necessary, to the Honorable Chief Minister, whom I will be meeting shortly after this to further brief him on the details of our discussions. I express my sense of gratefulness to members of the VPP in the leadership of their president, because at this point of time, we would like to see that in our efforts to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya, we must follow democratic paths to ensure that whatever observation, whatever issue, whatever dissatisfaction that is felt by them, because they are an important segment of the entire wheels of democracy, and we must never isolate observations based on frivolous decision taking or frivolous ignoring of important points brought to the forefront by all concerned members. And I sincerely hope that now that they have suspended their agitation, we will be able to communicate to them exactly the status of few of the demands that they have made. And I look forward to a working relationship which is going to be good for the democracy, which is going to be productive for the democracy. And that was the meeting that we had, and it was very fruitful, and will inform the concerned as and when he thinks fit. However, on my part, I will communicate to him. We've drawn out a minute of the meeting, and we leave it to the wisdom of the Honorable Chief Minister to communicate necessarily what he wants to get done.